junction.
This is why I bring you over here. What can you see ahead?
Give way.
Okay, and give it there. So what junction is this? What is called? How many lanes are we crossing?
2 lane.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crossroad junction. Right, look at your right and left. Anyone coming?
Okay,
And then
no.
go straight for me, please. Right. One big question. You know what that question is?
I have.
Why are you not looking for the road signs?
Yes, I know, but sometimes I cannot see the sign.
So why you can't see it?
Like a slowly to watching.
But Jang, the road was very narrow. Why are we going so fast? Problem is because you have driven the car so long in your own country, you think that you can drive with the same manner in the UK. That's not possible. If you want to drive in the UK, the top priority is the safety,
Okay.
which you're not thinking. We are a very small island. We're not a land country, remember? England is not a land country. It's a very small island. The roads are very small. The country you and I come from, big roads over there. Over there maybe it's different. But here, we can't drive that fast, not thinking about the safety.
Okay.
Here, you always be asking yourself, what sign I can see? Is there any hazard? Any road signs? Any road markings? Any cars parked? Do I have to go slowly? Is a roundabout coming? Is a crossroad junction coming? Is it open view? Is it close? You ask these questions with you all the time. If you're not going to do that, you will not going to become a safe driver to drive in the UK. If you are learning with me just because you want to pass, then I am not the correct instructor for you. But if you say to yourself, no, I want to become a safe driver for the life. I'm not learning just to pass. I'm learning to become a safe driver for the life. If that is what you want to do, I'm happy to carry on. But you got to listen to me, and we have to work as a team.
Yeah.
Right? Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.